Summer is certainly on its way and I'm very keen to clean up both my patio area and also to keep my cars clean. And to do this, I selected the KARCHER K2 Premium Full Control Home and Car Kit. And this is a very compact but very capable pressure washer. Now this particular kit comes with everything you need to get up and running. We've got the pressure washer itself. It also has a 6-meter high pressure hose, a gun with quick connect, a dirt blaster lance which gives you 80% increased power, and also a click vario power lance which gives you full control over all of the different settings. The home kit portion of this adds a surface cleaner for the patio, a 0.4 meter extension rod, and also a small bottle of patio and deck detergent to get you up and running. And then the car kit element adds a foam jet, a wash brush, and also a small half-litre bottle of car shampoo. So let's take a look around the pressure washer. It was very easy to put together. You do have to sort of attach the wheels and the carry handle, etc. What I really like is the fact that this has got accessory storage. You can actually put the pressure washer gun and the lances, all attaching them to the actual body for very easy manoeuvrability. I also like the fact that it's got a quick connect, easy hose connection. There's also a water filter built in at the back of the machine where you've got the hose inlet. And just to the right of this, we've also got a detergent tank where you can fill this up with the various car shampoo or patio detergent that you're using. Now I mentioned earlier in this video that I selected the K2 Full Control because it was so light and manoeuvrable. It has got a height adjustable handle built in, so you can lower and raise this and pull it around on its wheels. But I find this so light that I've been using the front carry handle instead, and I think you'll probably find the same. Performance wise, the combination of the different lances and attachments means that you can clean a lot of different things. I've tested this out on the patio and it works extremely well, but my main use so far has been in cleaning the cars. Now I've been using a different foam applicator gun to apply the car shampoo. This gives a lot thicker foam, and I'll put a link down to that in the video description. And then I've been using a sponge just to agitate some of the dirt after the initial grease and sort of surface dirt has been removed, and then using the KARCHER K2 to pressure wash it off everything else, including paying special attention to the wheels of the car. This does an absolutely fantastic job. I also like the variable sort of pressure that can be adjusted on the lance. I think that's a really nice addition to this particular pressure washer, and it comes in at a very competitive price point. Now I'll put a link down below to where you can pick up a KARCHER K2 for yourself. Now there are lots of kits available. I went for the Full Control Home and Car Kit so that I got all of those additional tools. I thought it offered up much better value. And also something of note is the lesser kits come with a 4-meter hose instead of the 6-meter high pressure hose that comes with this one. So let me know if you've got any questions. Please do hit that like button. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video very soon.